Good afternoon, traders. CJ here. It's Saturday, the 3rd of April. Just in the office. Just thought I would do a recap video on GU, pound dollar. Still in this position. Don't like to hold positions, but it's running risk free. Probably gonna get knocked out at break even, the remaining position. But just wanted to quickly, I'll keep this short and just show you what I was looking for. As you can see, this was the high on the hourly, and you can see that we failed to sweep that. We had the opportunity to create a new high, and we rejected. So that was an indication to me that, you know, I am bullish on the pound, but I am expecting, you know, a push into the 138 before push to the upside. And we had NFP news. You know, I set our sell limit order, and if I just go down to the 15 minutes, you can see if I just play out a bit of price, we had a lot. I thought we'd missed the move, but you can see NFP news 130, and you can see in 15 minutes that was the high and that was the low, and you can just see how volatile the market gets. But obviously this was our sell limit, so we managed to get triggered, which was fantastic. And I was anticipating a push to the downside, and as you can see, we did have that push. And as soon as we got one RR, so it's quite a tight stop, 13 pips. As always, stop loss to break even. Oh, sorry. Stop loss to break even, and I banked 50% of my trade. Now, if you just play out price a little bit more, you can see that price was really choppy, and you know, it was just moving. We didn't have that push down I was expecting. You can see that, you know, we had that push down, but we're failing. We were failing to, you know, fill these wicks. But I was anticipating that we would. And again, you can see that we just didn't have the volume in the market, being bank holiday. You know, again, you can see all of these strong pushes to the downside, but we failed to maintain them, you know, on each occasion. Again, you can see that price was just ridiculously choppy, nearly got knocked out. And you can see that that is where we are currently. So still in this position. You know, I am hoping, you never know what's going to happen when the market opens. I am expecting, you know, price to come down into this level. Whether we reach it is another thing, but you can see that, you know, for me, these wicks, they're going to want to be filled. We're going to come down into this region again. But again, if I just go on to the 4 hour, you know, doesn't show the full picture. You can see on the daily that, you know, from the all-time low in March, we are moving up, and I am expecting, you know, these levels, the 142, to be hit. But I was just expecting that little push down before I could enter a longer term long position. As always, I hope this video helps, and I wish you all a happy Easter weekend. Cheers, guys.